Are you still wasting hours copying and pasting data from websites? Stop right now. In this video, I'm going to show you how a brand new tool called AutoBrowse AI can completely replace your virtual assistant and save you thousands of dollars on expensive scraping software. Welcome to App Verdict. My quick verdict on AutoBrowse AI is simple. If you were doing manual lead generation, competitor price tracking, or data entry, this is a must-have. It is a true no-code automation builder that actually works, and for a one-time price, it is an absolute steal. Plus, I have put together a massive exclusive bonus package that you will not find anywhere else. Click the link in the description right now to secure your copy and my bonuses. Let us talk about what AutoBrowse AI actually is. It's a cloud-based app that turns boring, repetitive website jobs into automated tasks. Think about it. Researching leads, clicking through endless tabs, filling out forms, or collecting pricing data. AutoBrowse AI does it all for you on autopilot. It's built for marketers, agency owners, and freelancers who want to scale their business without hiring an army of VAs or paying huge monthly fees for complex scraping tools. The best part? You do not need to know a single line of code to use it. Let's jump inside the dashboard. Right away, you see the control center. This is where all your automations live. If you're a beginner, you don't even have to start from scratch. You can click on the Blueprints tab. Here you will find over 60 ready-made templates for things like local lead finding or competitor price tracking. To build a task, you just drag and drop simple blocks onto the canvas. You tell it to navigate to a URL, click a button, type a keyword, and extract the text. When you hit run, the software opens a live browser, executes your steps, and drops all the clean data right into your data vault. From there, you just click one button to export it as a clean CSV or JSON file. It's incredibly fast.
Hello, and welcome to AutoBrowse AI. AutoBrowse AI is a powerful no-code platform that turns repetitive website tasks into reusable automations. Instead of manually researching websites, clicking through pages, collecting information, or filling out the same forms again and again, you can build the task once and let AutoBrowse AI repeat it when needed. So let's log in and I'll show you exactly how it works. Once I log in, this is the AutoBrowse AI dashboard. From here, you can manage automations, monitor browser runtimes, access ready-made blueprints, view collected data, and control everything from one place. You also have the Smart Guide here. It does much more than answer questions. You can use it to create automations, manage tasks, navigate the platform through a simple conversation. Now let's open automations. For a quick example, I want to find highly rated hotels in Florida and collect the business name, website, phone number, rating, and location. I'll name this Hotel Finder. Choose Find a Ready-Made Job, select the Hotel Finder blueprint, and click Create Automation. And here we are. AutoBrowse AI has already prepared the workflow. I just enter the destination and, if needed, add a preference. I can run it right away or schedule it to run automatically later. Once everything is set, I simply click Start Runtime. AutoBrowse AI now begins working through the task step by step. I can see the runtime progressing in real time while it searches, processes the information, and prepares the results. And there we go. The runtime is complete, and the results are ready. It completed the task and collected hotel results, organized automatically. I can review them, open them in the data vault, or export them as CSV or JSON. If I want more control, I can open Advanced Canvas. This is a complete drag-and-drop workflow builder. The available nodes are on the left. I can drag a node onto the canvas, connect the steps, and customize exactly how the automation works. Next is the Blueprint Library. Here you'll find ready-to-go templates for research, lead generation, form filling, job finding, product research, and more. For example, I'll choose competitor price and feature research, click Setup, enter email marketing software as the category, and start the runtime. AutoBrowse AI now starts working through the competitor research, gathering and comparing the relevant details while I can follow the runtime progress. And there we go. The research is finished, giving me a clear side-by-side comparison of pricing, free plans, key features, and websites, all ready to review. Next, runtime sessions. Every time an automation runs, a runtime session is created. Here I can see previous runs, their status, records collected, and open any session to inspect the execution. And finally, the data vault. This is where the structured results from my automations are stored. I can open any dataset, review the information, and export it as CSV or JSON whenever I need it. So that's AutoBrowse AI. Build once, reuse whenever you need, use ready-made workflows to move faster, customize everything with the drag-and-drop canvas, and keep your results organized in one place. AutoBrowse AI. Build once, reuse forever, and export clean results.
The front-end price is under $20, which is insane value. But to get the absolute most out of this software, you should know about the upgrades. OTO1 is the done-for-you upgrade. This gives you pre-built, fully tested automation workflows ready to fire instantly. Skip the learning curve entirely. OTO2 is the pro version. This unlocks advanced logic for complex websites and gives you faster processing speeds. OTO3 is unlimited access. If you run an agency or need to scrape massive lists, get this. It removes all limits and bottlenecks. OTO7 and 8 are the agency and white label licenses. These allow you to rebrand the entire software, put your own logo on it, and sell it to clients while keeping 100% of the profit. Now, let's talk about my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack. If you pick up AutoBrowse AI through my link in the description, you get all of these custom bonuses for free. I have handpicked these to help you get more traffic and close more clients using the data you automate. Bonus 1, Client Extractor. This software pulls local client data directly from Google Maps so you can instantly pitch your new lead generation services. Bonus 2, Tubelytics, an all-in-one YouTube SEO and scheduling tool to rank your videos higher and drive free traffic. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Automatically sync your Facebook lead ads directly to your email autoresponder. Bonus 4, Power List Pro. Create high-converting entry and exit pop-ups to capture traffic before it leaves your site. Bonus 5, Vid Capture. Gate your video content behind an opt-in wall to generate hyper-targeted buyer leads. Bonus 6, Conversion Equalizer, a foolproof system to fix broken ad campaigns and boost your return on investment. Bonus 7, WP Checkout Maximizer, the ultimate abandoned cart killer to recover lost sales on your e-commerce stores. Bonus 8, Coupon Wheel, add spin-to-win pop-ups to your site to gamify your sales and get instant buyers. Bonus 9, WP Email Timer Plus. Put live countdown timers right inside your emails to force fast action from your list. Bonus 10, Social Tracker. Track unlimited social media activities across all platforms to monitor your brand engagement. These bonuses are specifically designed to turn your scraped data and automated workflows into cold, hard cash. But you need to act fast. This bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 buyers who click the link below. Once those 50 spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonus page down permanently. AutoBrowse AI is the easiest way to fire your VA, cancel your monthly software subscriptions, and put your daily browser work on complete autopilot. Click the first link in the description right now to lock in your copy of AutoBrowse AI and claim all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest, straight-to-the-point software reviews. See you in the next one.